What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be opening up a box of Topps Gridiron Legends. 4 hits in every box. I want you to see that everything's sealed up. Can I see there? Go ahead and crack this open. There it goes. Man, this box is stubborn. Alright. Good luck, everybody. And start it off with pack number 1. Alright, we've got Tim Tebow, Miles Austin, Andy Dalton rookie card, Cecil Shorts rookie card, Gridiron Legacies of Dan Marino, Dominican Sue, Franco Harris, Jonathan Stewart. LaShawn McCoy, Y.A. Tittle, Aldon Smith, Marcel Darius. Here's a Tim Tebow number 5 of 150. Ed Reed, Joe Montana, and Darren McFadden. Charles Woodson, Taiwan Jones, Vincent Brown rookie card, Luke Stalker rookie card, Gridiron Legends Roger Staubach. Oh, this is a nice card right here. Inspiring Legacies Christian Ponder jersey card. That's very nice. It's our first hit. We got Ray Rice and Ben Roethlisberger. Next pack, we've got Josh Freeman, Steven Jackson, Tim Brown, Tandon Doss rookie card, Kyle Rudolph rookie card, Jones Drew, Michael Turner, and Marshawn Lynch. Roger Staubach, Drew Brees, Matt Ryan, Virgil Green, Niles Paul, Calvin Johnson, David Garrard, and Matt Schaub. Next we've got Calvin Johnson, Mike Williams, John Elway, Dion Lewis rookie card. There's a Darren Evans autograph rookie card here. Phillip Rivers again, and Chris Johnson. Alright, next pack, Julius Peppers, Terry Bradshaw, DeMarco Murray rookie card, Edmund Gates rookie card. There's a Gridiron Legacies of Troy Aikman, Tony Romo. You officially have all 3 Cowboys quarterbacks there. Ed Reed, Mark Sanchez. Steven Romo, Aikman, and Staubach. Alright, Kurt Warner, Jim Brown, Colin Kaepernick, Daniel Thomas. There's a Marquez Colston, number 203 of 299. And another Marcus Colston, Troy Aikman, and Patrick Willis. Alright, next pack we've got Marcus Allen, Greg Solis, rookie card from the Rams, Rob Hausler, Austin Pettis. We got another Christian Ponder rookie card with Adrian Peterson as well. If these were to be different teams, it would go to the player on the left, but since they're both the Vikings, we don't need to worry about that. Santana Moss, Troy Polamalu, and Ray Lewis. Alright, Phil Simms, Joe Namath, Antonio Gates, Daquan Bowers, Jamie Harper. Here's a Kendall Hunter, rookie card, jersey. This one's numbered in the corner, and it says 39 of 50 right there. Can't really see it too well, but it's 39 of 50. Very nice little rookie jersey card there. Wes Welker, Percy Harvin. Alright, next pack's got Art Monk, Dan Marino, Santonio Holmes, Leonard Hankerson, legendary combos, Joseph Adai and Delone Carter, Sean McCoy, Jamal Charles, Roddy White. Matt Castle, Walt Powell, so Blaine Gabbert rookie card, John Baldwin rookie card, so Gridiron Legacies of Terry Bradshaw, Jamal Charles, Larry Fitzgerald, and Vernon Davis. Alright, Jermichael Finley, Deshaun Jackson, Hakeem Nicks, Randall Cobb rookie card. Here's an Inspiring Legacies of Blaine Gabbert, Matt Schaub, Santana Moss, and Tony Gonzalez. Chad Ochocinco, Torrey Smith's rookie card, Shane Vereen, Nick Fairley. Here's a Von Miller autograph rookie card. This is number 3 of 50 right there on the bottom right corner. Defensive Rookie of the Year, Von Miller. Very nice. Ronnie Lott, Matt Hasselbeck, and Jim Plunkett. Next pack we've got Dwayne Bowe, Arian Foster, Julio Jones, rookie card, Jeremy Curley. Here's a Gridiron Legacies of Chris Johnson, Brandon Lloyd, Peyton Hillis, and LaDainian Tomlinson. Pretty good break so far. Got a little bit of every rookie except for, I think, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Anquan Bolden, Steve Johnson, Mike Wallace, Michael DeShore, Alex Green, Richard Dent, Tony Romo, Dominican Sue. Still got 2 packs left. Next one we've got Maurice Jones-Drew, Felix Jones. Oh yeah, Mark Ingram. There you go. Stephen Ridley. And there's AJ Green, Tony Dorsett, Emmitt Smith, and Jerome Bettis. Sorry guys, fire alarm is going crazy. Do this last pack real quick. Sorry about that. Reggie Wayne, Joe Flacco, Brandon Marshall, Titus Young, another Christian Ponder, Aspiring Legacies, Sam Bradford, Junior Seau, and Howie Long. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. That was another box break by Lone Star Pickers. Just to recap, Von Miller autograph, Kendall Hunter rookie jersey, Darren Evans jersey, autograph rookie, and Christian Ponder. Thanks again, guys.